Are you having trouble with your side-by-side refrigerator not cooling properly? Well, it may be simple enough for you to fix on your own without having to seek a service repairman. If your refrigerator or freezer is too warm, the first thing you want to check is the temperature settings. Check if the temperature is set too high. If this is the case, lower the temperature to the desired level and wait for the temperature to stabilize. If this isn't the case, check whether items could be blocking the air vents, thus obstructing the cool air circulation. Simply rearrange the items to allow cool air to flow throughout the refrigerator. You should also check the doors. Make sure nothing is preventing the doors from closing properly. Also check whether any door baskets, drawers, shelves, bins or covers could be out of position. If so, push them back into place. If you still cannot close the doors correctly, or they keep popping open, check whether doors are aligned properly. If they are uneven, check out our video on how to align and level the refrigerator doors. However, if the doors are aligned and still don't close properly, you may have to reinstall the doors. You should call an authorized LG service center to get doors reinstalled. Now, if your refrigerator is running constantly or longer than normal, check whether there could be any heat source nearby heating up the refrigerator. If this seems to be the issue, remove or block heat sources that are heating up the refrigerator. Also, the ambient room temperature itself should not exceed 110 degrees Fahrenheit, 43 degrees Celsius. Please reduce the temperature or, if possible, reinstall your refrigerator in a cooler environment. And if this isn't the case, check whether condenser covers could be clogged. If they appear clogged, use a vacuum cleaner to clean the cover and vents. Do not remove the condenser coil cover panel while cleaning. And that's the end of our troubleshooting video on refrigerator cooling issues. If you have any further questions, or need further assistance, please contact the LG Electronics Customer Information Center. Thank you for using LG refrigerators.